Yes, we are completely free from this sex desire. There would be no tinge of desire at all. Huh? You follow? No tinge of sex desire. Complete. Then, in other words, when you become complete Krishna conscious, complete, not partial, complete Krishna conscious, 100% Krishna conscious. Huh? Oh, one cannot give up this desire, so strong desire. This is possible only when one is fully Krishna conscious. ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଚେତନଶୀଳ ହେବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସମ୍ଭବପର ଯାଇକି ହେବ, ନଚେତ ହେବ ନାହିଁ। ବିନ୍ଦୁ ମାତ୍ର ଏ ଯୌନ ଉପଭୋଗ କାମନା ରହିବ ନା, and not otherwise. ଅନ୍ୟ ଉପାୟ ନାହିଁ, no other means is there, Baba. No other means. Is there any other means? No other means. This is the only means. And so develop complete Krishna consciousness. Complete Krishna consciousness. Yes. No other means. Then you'll be able to stop. Stop this sex desire for sense gratification. Otherwise nobody can stop it.